As you stand here, it is interesting to think that this area, like the city itself, has seen many changes. In the 1950s, a house was torn down on this corner to construct inappropriate apartments, which a half a century later were demolished to construct this park. Completed in 2001, Heritage Park is a celebration of the industrial heritage of Columbus, created to recognize the people who were the catalyst that changed Columbus from a town into a thriving modern city. It connects the past of Dr. Pemberton's home and the future of the Coca-Cola Space Science Center. In 1828, Columbus was established as a frontier trading town because of its proximity to the falls. This was the northernmost navigable point for trading vessels and steamboats on Georgia's longest river. The park's designers recognized the important relationship between river and city, and so from the rushing water cascading over falls on the east side of the park to dams, steamboats, and mills, you will notice that water is a dominant feature throughout. At first, it was a matter of harnessing the untamed river for the energy needed to turn a grist mill's water wheel. But that energy would also turn the wheels of other industries, such as lumber, agriculture, textiles, and foundries. As wooden dam hydro stations morphed into hydroelectric sites along the river, strong-willed Columbus men built up the economy. 7 men are identified in the park. Although their personalities differ from reserved to bombastic, they all had the drive and tenacity to seize an opportunity, as illustrated by their success and optimism of a devastated South's future possibilities after the Civil War. Besides these industrial giants, the park also pays tribute to the everyman, men and women, black and white, stevedores, millers, spinners, weavers, workers, and foundrymen, the manpower that fueled the Columbus economy. Heritage Park was funded by the Bradley Turner Foundation, the Coca-Cola Foundation, Historic Columbus, and several Columbus families.